Fuck you, stupid bitch.
Bounce. Wow, wow.
Ooh, I like this thing. Got a whole bunch of cool stuff on it.
And she found a new toy.
You gonna get outside and get it?
This is Kimberly.
Crikey! I think we found a new species.
Go hunting stingrays. Ooh, sorry. That's not right.
Wah, 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 wah.
Crack kills.
I didn't have my crack out.
You should know everybody like I did. Your butt looks like cottage cheese too. I seen you run up the stairs. It's like 2 water balloons.
No, it don't either.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
It would have been funny if you would have said 2 water balloons trying to rape each other.
That's what Tiffany's eggs look like when she walks like 2 squirrels just fighting.
Cause our hoe's like this big, right? I'm not trying to get you, I'm trying to get him. Hang on. Up close. It's like he's constipated. He looks so constipated right now. This will be the... Oh shit, where's my phone?
That was a shitty day.
A shitty conversation.
I'll let you borrow it. Honey. Turn it off. That's disgusting. You won't break it. Bitch. Why is the door locked? I bent over at the same time. I'll be back.
Where are you going? Oh.
Put it on Beanie.
Oh.